Affiliate marketing face two main problems. You use various free methods to promote affiliate links and you don't get clicks. Even if you get clicks, you don't get sales. Basically, no one buys from you. Do you have any of these problems? In this video, I am going to show you how you can fix that without spending any money on promoting affiliate products. There are 3 websites you need to use to make this work. You are going to use free traffic that will be interested in buying your affiliate product so that you can actually make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. The method I show will work with any affiliate product, but you need to follow the exact steps so you know how to do affiliate marketing without followers. Did you know that 89% of customers start their buying process in a search engine? If you don't want to pay for ads, there is another free way, and I will explain that next. The first step is to find the best buyer intent keywords for your affiliate product. Buyer intent keywords are search queries that show someone is actively looking to make a purchase. Once you know the buyer intent keywords that your ideal customers are using, you can start to target them with relevant content. Let's say, for example, you want to promote this ClickBank affiliate product. You will earn $37 on average with this product. Now, let's do some simple maths. To make your first $1,000 using this affiliate marketing product, you will need about 27 sales. On average, let's assume that the conversion rate to this website is about 1%. That means that if 100 people that are interested in this page came to this website, out of that at least one person will buy. So if you can get 2,700 people that are interested in this topic, you will be able to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. How are you going to find these people? If you don't want to go the paid ads for search engine results, the next best thing is to work with free content that naturally shows up on the first page. There is a trick to do this, and as mentioned, this will work even if you don't have a website. Follow these exact steps close. Next, you need to figure out what someone will enter into the search box when they are close to buying this product. Come up with a list of key phrases. Let me use this phrase as an example to show you exactly how that works. With this website, you can get all the top questions people ask about the phrase that you choose. They offer a trial, so you can try it out. I will leave a link in the description below. Click on New Document, add the phrase. It will give a set of questions related to this. Next, you need to use these questions that people are searching for. I will show you how to auto-generate high-quality content for free so that you can get your article on the first page and start making money with affiliate marketing. This is an online copywriting tool that uses artificial intelligence to write blog posts and many more content types. It's great for anyone who doesn't want to spend time writing or needs help writing content. The best part is you can start for free. As a new user, you will get 10,000 credits free and 5 days free trial. I have a link below in the description. You can use that and grab your free credits. Once you log in, you will see this dashboard. You can generate various types of content. For this purpose, select Long Form Assistant. Next, select Start from Scratch. Paste the questions you got from the previous step. Mark all these as headings. Add space between the questions, and I will show how this online tool will auto-generate high-quality content. On the left-hand side, add your keyword so that the content that is auto-generate will be optimized to rank on the first page. For the content description, paste the same questions. You can give any titles that you want. Article length, select as L. You will see that this is automatically generating content. Likewise, it will generate the entire article for you. Once the article is ready, if you have your own website, you can publish it there. If you don't, here is a high-ranking free website. It's called Medium. You can promote affiliate products, as mentioned in the policy, but you need to include it. If you search through, you can find various affiliate products being promoted on Medium. If you want to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing, you need to publish multiple articles. As you saw from this video, it takes a few minutes to generate a good article. While this is a great free method to make money, the problem with this approach is that it will take a long time to appear on the first page. If you don't want to wait, then I suggest using a paid option for affiliate marketing. Watch this video next.